Hello everyone, today's tutorial will be on this eye look. It's blue shimmery party eye makeup. I have used liquid eyeliner as eyeshadow. It is combo of 6. I have used blue eyeliner. You'll find colorful eyeliners in this combo. Link to this product is in the description box below. If you're interested in knowing how to get this step by step, then please continue watching. I'm using black eyeshadow. Use a very pigmented black eyeshadow. Don't go for a softer black tone eyeshadow. Be very careful here when you are outlining your crease because this wave shape is very important. Don't fail your wave shape. The eyeshadow look will go wrong if you fail here. This wave shape is very important in this eye makeup and begin filling your outer V. Next, I'm using this mass liquid eyeliner, a very pigmented and beautiful eyeliner. I'm using the wand that comes with this eyeliner. I would be covering half of my eye, more than half. When I'm blending, I would move it towards the outer V. Sharpen your crease here. Outline it nicely. Keep it very neat and clean. Don't cross the crease line. To blend this liquid eyeliner with eyeshadow, I would be using a brush and pulling it towards the outer V eyeshadow. Apply a little more and pull it towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V. Next, I would be creating eyeliner. Pull a plain line here, and then to sharpen the outer V edge, I'm pulling it upwards. Pull the line upwards. I'm not creating a winged eyeliner, but I'm just sharpening the outer V edge. Pull a line upwards to sharpen the outer V edge. If you create a winged eyeliner, it would seem like fish cut eye makeup. Next, I'm creating pointed inner corner. After creating pointed inner corner, I would be coating kajal on my waterline. I'm using Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. Smush the kajal, move the brush back and forth using a small flat brush. I'm using the same liquid eyeliner to highlight the pointed inner corner. After this, I would be coating mascara on my eyelashes. Intensify your eyelashes using mascara well. Move the wand in upward direction multiple times when coating mascara on upper eyelashes, and when you're applying mascara on your lower lashes, hold the wand vertically and just move it. Individual eyelashes are targeted and it's done. This is the final look. If you like this eye makeup tutorial, then please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.